Let me see now with electronic configurations how to calculate the magnetic momentum here. So, I have taken scandium, the electronic configuration is 3d1 4s2. Now, if you consider the number of unpaired electrons, all 4s2 is paired electrons. Wherever if you see 4s2, that is actually paired electron. The two electrons are paired like this is what 4s2, right. In this case, you do not find any type of unpaired electron. In this case, n is equal to what? 0. There will be no unpaired electrons. Now, 3d1 has only one unpaired electron, because in scandium plus 2 you are losing what? 4s2 electrons here, isn't it? 4s2 electron. Now, scandium plus 2 will have now configuration 3d1. Now, n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, what will be the magnetic momentum? 1.73. Now, scandium plus 3 means how many electrons we have to remove? 3 electrons. 2 from here, 1 from here. Total how many? 3 electrons if you remove, isn't it? Then it will be 3d0, 4s0, n is equal to 0. In this case, we do not have any unpaired electron. Now, it will be diamagnetic nature. This will be what actually? Dia. This will be actually what? Paramagnetic nature. Why? We have unpaired electron. Why dia? No unpaired electron. In this way, we can easily identify the paramagnetic and diamagnetic nature. Next, we will take the titanium. The configuration will be 3d2, 4s2. Now, in this case, 4s2 do not have any unpaired electrons, but 3d2 will have actually unpaired electrons. How many? 2 unpaired electrons. So, n is equal to 2, like this. Next, titanium plus 2 losing what? Again 4s2 electrons, 3d2 configuration, n is equal to 2, isn't it? Titanium plus 3, how many electrons you have to remove? 2 from here, 1 from here. What we get here? 3d1, unpaired electrons equal to 1. We will take one more here, chromium. Chromium configuration will be 3d5, 4s1. Now, chromium plus 1, we have to remove this electron. First, we need to remove from 4s, after that from 3d orbital. Now, chromium plus 1 losing 1 from 4s orbital, remaining will be 3d5. Now, n is equal to here what? 5. Now, if n is equal to 5, what will be the formula? Again, root 5 into 5 plus 2, that is equal to root 35. That means around 5.9 something. So, magnetic momentum of chromium plus 1 is how much? 5.9. For example, chromium plus 2. So, remove 1 from here and 1 from here. What we get here? 3d4 configuration. We are getting what? 3d4 configuration. Now, n is equal to will be 4. If n is equal to 4, we are going to get 4.9 like this. For example, you take what? Manganese, 3d5, 4s2. Manganese plus 2. Losing electrons from where? 4s2 orbital. We are getting from 3d5. So, again, number of unpaired electrons equal to what? 5 here. Manganese plus 3. How many electrons we have to remove here? 3 electrons. 2 from here, 1 from here. This becomes 3d4, 4s0. So, 3d4 will have n is equal to 4. Next, coming to what? Iron. 3d6, 4s2. Iron plus 2 loses this electron. Now, remaining configuration for Fe plus 2 will be 3d6. Now, unpaired electrons are not equal to 6 here. So, whenever more than 5, subtract from the 10. So, now 10 minus 6, 3d6 means how do you calculate unpaired electrons? 3d6 means 10 minus 6, after 5, 5 plus, more than 5, formula will be 10 minus 6, n will be what? 4. So, you are going to get here n is equal to 4. Now, unpaired electrons will be n is equal to 4 means 4.9 like that. Fe plus 3 means how many electrons you have to remove here? From here 2, from here 1, it becomes here 3d5. Now, 3d6 will convert into 3d5 in the Fe plus 3 configure. This is very, very important. Next, you will take what? Nickel, 4s2, 3d8. Nickel plus 2 means remove 4s2 electrons, remaining will be 3d8. Now, n is equal to what here? 2. Why n equal to 2 because 3d8 means what we have to write? 3d8 means 10 minus 8, that equal to 2. 3d9 means 10 minus 10, n is equal to, use the copper, 3d10 and 4s1, copper plus 1, remove electron from 4s orbital, we get 3d10. 3d10 does not have any unpaired electron. Now copper plus 2 means what happened? You have to remove how many electrons here? Copper plus 2, remove 2 electrons. From the 4s orbital, one from the 3d10 orbital. Now 3d10 will convert into 3d9. Now n is equal to 1. Finally, zinc 3d10 4s2 do not have any unpaired electron. Next, zinc plus 2, after losing 4s2 electrons also, you are getting what? 3d10. 3d10 n is equal to 0. This will be what? Diamagnetic nature, because there is no unpaired electrons. So this is about the magnetic moments. First we need to remove electrons from the 4s orbital, then from the 3d orbital. Now you take, this is assignment, means total you have to write in the notebook, write all these configurations, write their oxygen states, write their number of unpaired electrons, and calculate the magnetic momentum for all these atoms with their oxidation state. Calculate the magnetic momentum by using this formula, root n into n plus 2 formula. This is about the magnetic nature of d block elements.